Look, Bella's following Petrie around the cage, trying to get some kisses from him. Look at this. And he just runs away. Petrie just does whatever he wants. Oh, Bella. Oh, she's looking at him. Like, Petrie, where'd you go? They were just kissing, Mom.
Jenny was taking a bath. Come on, Jenny. Take your little bath. Jump in there. Yes! This is what Jenny looks like when she takes a bath. She jumps in the whole bowl. She gets really fat. Is she done? I think she's done. Oh, wait. Yeah, she's done.
Mom, look, Bella and Jenny are taking turns taking a bath. Look at them. Look how fat Bella is. They're not drinking. Look at her. Look at Look at this. Look how nice they're being. Then Jenny wants to jump in. Jenny's like, get out of the way. Look at them. Look at Jenny jumping in the bowl. Ah, she's so cute. I gotta get look at Bella. Mom. These birds. Look at all the snow outside. It's about 5:30. February 13th. Look at this. Look at this. Bella's just in the bowl. I gotta get them a bird bath. Jenny's jumping in. And Henry's just trying to drink. Jenny's the only one I've ever seen take a bath, and now Bella's doing it with her. Oh. And Bella's tweeting Mom. She's singing. She doesn't bite anymore. She hangs out with the other birds. Look at her. Look at Jenny. And Petrie's down there somewhere singing. Oh, Jenny's splashing everywhere. Look at them. Jenny. Bella's done. She's going inside. Jenny's still going. Oh. Jenny's like, get out of the way, Henry. I'm trying to take a bath. Booker seems interested. Look at him underneath, climbing around upside down. Okay. I'm just gonna watch Jenny and see what she does. This is what Jenny looks like when she takes a bath. Oh, is she done? And look at the other birds out underneath crawling upside down. They get so interested when Jenny takes a bath. Look at her. Henry's up there like, what are you doing, Jenny? Henry's just trying to drink. Oh no, Henry's watching himself too. Oh, looks like Jenny's done. Look who's back. Bella came back up to take another bath. Is that Booker jumping in? Booker just jumped in. They're all acting so weird. Look at Bella. Henry's been washing his head too, Mom. Henry's been washing it. I think Booker jumped in a couple seconds ago. Oh. Jenny's back up. Booker, you gonna go in? Or are you just there to look? Oh. There's Booker leaning his head in. Washing his little head. Oh, there he goes. There's Booker inside. There he is. Ah. Booker's washing. Petrie's never done it, and Henry's never really done it, but Booker's in, and now he's out. Booker's the man. Everybody saw everyone else going in the bath, and now so it started a little chain reaction. Booker, you're the man. He's just hanging out. I gotta get them a bird bath, Mom. It's official. Unbelievable. It's like they bring out the best personalities in each other. Jenny's been singing recently the past couple days, Mom, and you know Jenny never sings. But she's been singing and tweeting. Damn. Amazing. Look, you can still see Bella's feathers. They're wet back there. And then Booker's are still wet, too. Up here. Hey, buddy. What's up with that head? And Jenny. Oh, you can't see with the camera quality. It's terrible. Come on. There. Ah. A little bit. Oh, Jenny, be nice to Booker. Come on. You're trying to kiss him. Hello. Hello. Henry.
What do you guys know about this game, huh? Alright, I'm about to have one of my first tries of Dynamitize ISO 100. I just finished up the Gold Standard way. Thank you, Gold Standard. You were amazing. I'm probably going to get you again. Now it's time to try this out. I've had it a few times. Like, I've tasted it a couple times. It's pretty good. Look at this. I just beat Mario Galaxy, and it is one of the best games I've ever played. Rosalita is describing to Mario galactic recycling here. She's saying that when stars die, they explode and the stardust goes throughout the cosmos. And then eventually, all the stardust reforms to create a new star. And the cycle of life continues. But the cycle never repeats itself in the same way. Exactly. Talking about quantum physics now. And just probabilities and all mathematics. This is the next thing she says. My birds get quiet. Oh yeah, there's the castle. Damn. Everybody's lined up in a star formation. As you can see, there's 5 of them making a star, and then Jenny's sitting on the perch in the middle, like the heart of the star, right in the middle. Let's see. Look at that. Hello. They knocked over their food. And all the seeds went everywhere. I gotta clean that up. You guys. Well, well, well. Look who came back.
I went over to them, and then they all started flying away. Bella and Henry, both of them. Now they're all hanging out. They want some food. They're hungry.
Look at this fucking cat, dude. This cat jumped up on my porch. You have no idea how high my back deck is. It's like 10 feet off the ground. I have no clue how this cat got up here. But my birds were all tweeting. They were all happy. And then I got really quiet. I was like, why'd they get quiet? So I look over, and there's a cat just sitting at the window. Oh, look, they're flying away. They're so scared. He can't get you guys. Don't worry. Don't worry. He's outside. You want me to let him in? No.
Look at this, YouTube. It is just 1 foot central in here. 3 birds in a row, all standing on 1 foot, all puffed up. We got this one. She's trying to sleep right in the middle of everybody on 1 foot. And then we got these two over here, also on 1 foot. Look at them. The little tweets. Hello, you little lazies. The little lazies on 1 foot. Yep. Look at the birds taking baths. They're taking turns getting wet in the water. Except Bella's not letting anyone else have a turn. Get out of there, Bella. Let everybody else get a little bath. Petrie's the only one I haven't seen do it yet. He's the only one. Something about Petrie. Oh, here goes Booker. Let's see. Oh. Get out of there, Bella. You're done. You're done. Let someone else do it. Go ahead. Someone else. Who wants to? Booker, you were about to. Go ahead, buddy. There you go. Go ahead, buddy. Jump in, Booker. Jump in. The water's nice. He's getting ready. Go, buddy, go. Before you get kicked off, go. Jump. Yeah, Booker, there he goes. I told you. I know my birds. See? He wanted to do it, and he did. Yeah, Booker, jumping in. Now Jenny's interested again. Uh-oh. Booker, yeah, buddy. You're the man. Parakeet's taking a little water bath. Jenny, get down from there. Jenny. That's right. I love it. I'm training them, you guys. Training them. Look at him. I told you he wanted to go in. Who's in there singing? Bella and Petrie? And Lizzie's back there singing. Yeah, Booker. Yeah, buddy. Get clean. Look at Bella right there, closest to the camera. She's going upside down, nibbling on that little perch. Look at her. Upside down. Oh, almost fell. She really likes to keep her beak sharp. Look at that, upside down. Whoa, and there we go.
Well, look who's outside on my porch ready to eat my birds. Some random stray cat. He's been chilling out there for a few minutes, just hanging out. Yeah, buddy. But all my birds, all 6, they're all safe in the cage. And look at him, he's like, I'm hungry. I want some food. I want some birds. And Petrie doesn't care because he knows he's safe. Yeah, buddy. It's kind of like It's Always Sunny in Philadelphia, if you guys watch that show with Charlie. He has like 40 cats that live outside of his house.